Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Moja. So today I will discuss the topic of introduction of conic section. Introduction of conic section. Firstly, we write the definition of the conic section. The locus of a point P H P is a moving point from which the ratio to its distance from the fixed point to the fixed line is constant. Definition say that locus of a point P H, K from which the ratio of the distance of the fixed point to the fixed line is a constant. Suppose L is a fixed line L. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. And suppose S is a fixed point and P is a moving point. To join the P to S and to join the P to L. P to S and P to L. The distance PS is equal to D1. Let P distance of PL is equal to D2. That is D1 upon D2 is equal to constant. What is S, what is L, what is P, what is constant? We see that. Then the fixed point is called focus and it is denoted as S. It is a focus. The fixed line is called directrix and it is denoted as L. It is a directrix and it is a focus. And most important is the constant. Constant ratio is called the eccentricity and it is denoted as E. It is a backbone of the conic. How to conic? What is the identity of the conic? Then identify the E. Firstly, that is PS upon PL is equal to E. PS is a fixed distance from the fixed point and PL is a distance of the fixed line is equal to E. Note PL upon PS not is equal to E. We got according to definition the locus of a point PH from with the ratio of the distance to the fixed point to the fixed line. Fixed point to the fixed line. It's not a fixed line to the fixed point. It's not equal to E. There are two cases. Arise. Case one is when the focus lie on the directrix, and the second case is when the focus lie away from the directrix. I read it. Case first. Write the case first. When focus lies on the directrix. It is directrix L. Focus lie on the directrix. It is a focus S. And it is a moving point P. To join P to S and it is a point PL. It is a perpendicular distance from a line. It is a theta P H, K. Its a PL distance is D1 and PL distance is to D2. That D1 upon D2 is equals to constant. According to definition, basic to trigonometry, it is a perpendicular and it is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to cosec theta. तो then d1 upon d2 is equal to cosec theta is a constant. Cosec theta is a constant. If cosec theta is constant, then theta is also constant. Cosec theta constant, theta is also constant. As we know that cosec theta is a odd function. Cosec minus theta is equal to minus का cosec theta. Theta is also constant and minus theta is also constant. Then theta. Then line L1 is a line L2. Hence, the locus of a point P, H, K is a pair of a straight line. Case first is that say that focus lie on the directrix d1 upon d2 constant, d1 upon d2 cosec theta constant. Cosec theta is constant and theta is also constant. Theta constant minus theta also constant because cosec theta is a odd function. And the locus of a point P, H, K is a pair of a straight line. And case second arises is when focus away from the directrix. I reject when focus away from the directrix. When focus away from the directrix. d1 upon d2 is equal to E. E greater than 1, greater than 0, greater than less than 1. E is the main infinite value but have the condition to identify the conic. E greater than, E less than 1. E is equal to 1. E greater than 1. E is equal to root 2. If E less than 1 is the conic is ellipse. E is equal to 1. Conic is parabola. E greater than 1. Conic is hyperbola. E is equal to root 2. It is a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Note the eccentricity of the ellipse and hyperbola is always vary. Ellipse is the eccentricity less than 1 and hyperbola eccentricity is greater than. It always is a vary. But eccentricity of the parabola is always 1 and the eccentricity of the rectangular hyperbola is always equal to root 2. Note the eccentricity of a parabola is always equal to 1 and the eccentricity of a rectangular hyperbola is always equals to root 2 and the eccentricity of the ellipse and hyperbola is always vary. There are the case second. Our main task is how to check the conic, the ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, straight line. Because I erase this set. Suppose let any 2-degree general equation of conic ax square plus by square plus 2hx plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It is a 2-degree equation, 2-degree general equation of the conic. Firstly, we find the delta. Delta. A handsome girl has boyfriend, goes for coffee. It's my way to learn the determinant. A handsome girl has boyfriend goes for coffee. कुछ बच्चे कह रहे हैं सर इसमें ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक. आप ग्रामेटिकल मीनिंग पे मत जाइएगा. As we know that girl not a handsome. ठीक है, तो बस it's my way to learn the determinant. A handsome girl has boyfriend goes for coffee. To solve the determinant a b c minus f square minus का h h c minus का g f प्लस का g एच एफ माइनस का बी जी. सोल्व ए बी सी माइनस ए एफ स्क्वायर माइनस एच स्क्वायर सी प्लस एफ जी एच प्लस एफ जी एच माइनस का बी जी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए बी सी माइनस ए बी सी प्लस 2 एफ जी एच माइनस ए एफ स्क्वायर माइनस बी जी स्क्वायर माइनस एच स्क्वायर सी. Determine value of the delta. There are the two cases arises also. Case first, delta is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, then it is directly said that it is represent a pair of a straight line. It represent a pair of a straight line. देख रहा है ना सबको? It is pair of a straight line. Delta if non-zero. They are the proceed further. There are the many subcases. There are many subcases. There are many subcases. It's a relation between the H, A, B. If H square minus AB less than 0, H square minus AB is equal to 0, H square minus AB greater than 0. If H square minus AB less than 0, it stands for ellipse. H square minus AB is equal to 0, equal to parabola. H square minus AB greater than 0, hyperbola. It is a process to check the equation. It is a how to check the conic. It is a process to check the conic. If delta is non-zero or 0. If delta is 0, that directly say that a pair of a stand. But delta is non-zero. There are many subcases. It is the relation between H, A, B. H square minus AB less than 0 ellipse. H square minus AB is equal to 0 parabola. H square minus AB greater than 0 is a hyperbola. It is the process. It is the introduction of the conic section. Thank you.